Welcome to the Great Outdoors RV in Evans, Colorado. Today, myself, Gary,
and Mate
are going to show you the Sandpiper 357 Trip.
Question for you, Gary.
Sure.
What does the 357 Trip stand for?
Trip stands for having a wonderful family trip because it's a bunkhouse.
That sounds like a cop-out. So this one has a whole bunch of cool features for the family, right?
It does. Outside kitchen.
A second half bath that you have an extra entry to.
Exit door outside, so the kids can run in and out when you're at the lake, the river, up in the desert. They're not tracking everything in through the house.
Super nice.
It's also got the big awning with the LED lights that runs full length. There's 3 beds in the back because you have half kitchen. You got 3 beds back there instead of 4.
Let's go through all the stuff on the outside and then we'll show you the stuff on the inside. Over here we have the outside grill, so this just folds away right on the outside of the back of the bumper, which is super nice. And
Convenient.
this complements the electric stabilizer jacks, but not really. But what it really complements, yeah, go ahead.
We have electric stabilizer jacks in the back, is what he's trying to tell you.
It's
And more
cold out here,
important,
guys. We're like freezing, so we're going through the outside a little quicker.
You get a nice outside kitchen with the 4.1 refrigerator, a sink, lots of storage for your cabinets, and lots of room if you want to put things up here because you got plug-ins over to the side, so you can have a blender and start a nice party outside if you wanted to, or cook some toast.
I like that this is metal instead of wood.
It's easy to clean and you get the bacteria off of it. Wood, it's so much harder.
Well, and it's not like if it's raining or something like that and you accidentally got it wet.
Yep, you wouldn't concern yourself with it. A really cool feature for the family is the half bathroom. Its own entry, its own exit, friction door, holds the door up to about a 10-mile-an-hour wind. It'll keep it right there. It's got the extra screen door. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't point out is it comes with this shade in the window so that when you're in there, you don't have any peeping Toms. The other nice thing, it does have a commode. It's got lots of storage on the side, as you can see. And on this side is your sink to wash your hands and take care of business, okay? As you work your way around, it's the back of the refrigerator. You have some plug-ins over here. It comes with marine grade outside speakers. It has the aluminum wheels, which disperses heat quickly, so you shouldn't have braking problems. Maybe, what do you got there?
I have a coiled high pressure hose, which this guy actually comes with 2 places to hook up to. This spot to like rinse off your
bikes,
kids,
yeah.
Picnic table, whatever, just plugs right into here. And
so
then the other
quick, easy disconnect.
Yeah, and then if you want hot and cold water both, you can use that on the other side as well.
Awesome.
In addition to that, we have the powered LED light awning, so you just push a button, which makes it really easy for this awning to go in and out, as well as you can adjust it for making the rain go one direction or the other.
Away from the entry door.
One other thing that I'll show you is this guy has the extra wide door, so if you need to get something a little bit bigger in here, it's nice to have
30-inch door.
Yeah, a little bit nicer room, and you have the large grab assist handle as well.
Okay, one of the great features is the one big wide radius door that they have for all the extras that you might want to put in. There's a light, there's the extra tools that you need. It's got felt on the ground so it keeps it semi-warm. Then over here we've got one of the propane tanks. The other is on the other side with the auto regulator turnover. And you also have the hydraulic lines that come in to work the front. And Mate's going to take it from there.
On the front, you'll notice this guy has a cap that's cornered, so if you have a short bed truck, you're not going to have to use your slider hitch nearly as much because of this setup. You'll notice it has the nice LED lights here. All this nice slam latch doors throughout. This is where you'd keep your battery and you know, whatever else you would want to keep up there, really. Just an extra storage spot. That's where the spare tire is right there. This cap is super nice because it's a fiberglass cap that has automotive style paint on here, so that you don't have to worry about this peeling and fading over time like you would on something else.
As you work your way around here, we've got the weights. The weight comes in, the sink comes in at about 11.4 empty. Max is out at 13.9. Here's the other propane tank that I was telling you about. Okay, makes it nice. Then the creme de la creme is on the other side of the door, the pass-through, one big door again, but your whole systems panel is in one place. You even have a filtration system for the water entering the coach. You have all your pull handles for your gray and your black. You've got your city, your fresh tank, your potable tank, black water. Here's the hose connection that Mate was referring to on the other side. You got hot and cold water, and you can use that same hose over here as well.
Over here we have the quick recovery hot water heater. This is a 10-gallon hot water heater. This is kind of nice because it gives you 16.2 gallons of hot water per hour.
Now that we've covered the outside of the 357 Trip, let's go inside and see what there is.
All right, come on this way, guys. As you walk past the kitchen, this whole back area is your bunk area, which is super cool. You do have the half bath that we showed you on the outside, as well as you can see there's a little tiny linen closet and the second entry door. And then back here is your bunk room. The cool thing about this bunk room is it has nice size windows on all three sides. So over here you have a window, and then if I undo this bunk, it's kind of nice. You can put this bunk up and leave it there if your kiddos are watching TV or playing a game or something like that. And then this guy folds down and makes into an extra area. And then this is another window to work with. These are teddy bear bunk series, so they're super soft material. This guy does turn into a bed as well if you want it to. And then you do have storage. Now you can access the storage from the outside as well if you want to. And then over here there is a small ladder, so if you have a tiny guy that can't just Superman up there, he can climb up there safely. And then this guy has the satellite out cable TV hookup underneath here, so if you decided to put a TV here, you have some plugins. You also have a 110 outlet as well.
Let's come back into the kitchen living room area. You come up and you can see on this wall we've got the 32-inch TV. We have a 15-watt, 5120 BTU furnace or fireplace. That will literally heat this whole downstairs area by itself. What you kind of missed out on, though, was the Jensen surround sound system. DVD, CD, MP3, USB, HDMI. It has everything that you need for the family.
But can it cook my pizza for me?
It can if you have the app that goes along with it. Perfect. On your phone. Okay?
I'm sold.
Okay, and I always like to show the refrigerator. For a family, this is a good size fridge and freezer. So you'll have everything that you need. You saw some of the pantry here, and you have a lot of pantry on that wall behind you.
Let me show you what that looks like, guys. So this is a spot for a trash can. You could even fit two of them if you wanted to do like a trash can and a recycle bin. And then over here you have a lot of the control panel. So this is where you control your awning, your slide out, your water heater, your water pump, your heated holding tanks. So this guy has heated pads on the tanks themselves, as well as a fully enclosed underbelly to keep you warm inside. In addition to the fireplace, you also have a furnace that's ducted throughout the floor.
Now the kitchen's equipped with several things. It has a filtration system that will take care of 10,000 gallons of water for the coach. You have the solid surface countertops. You have the glass top on the burner, so it acts as a backsplash. The nice thing on this coach is you actually do have like a stone back wall. So these are easy to clean. You have a 900 BTU up front and two 600 BTUs in the back. You have the 22-inch oven, which is really nice. It's stainless steel. Okay. You have the microwave, easy to and accessible. You have the lights. You have the fan, which is really nice. Lots of cupboards across here so that you can put a lot of plates, bowls, dishes, whatever you need. You've got 3 drawers over here that are on the full extension ball bearing hinges. Okay. And you also have room underneath the sink to put some items in there.
You know you missed something, Gary.
I probably did. What was it?
There's an awesome piece of crown molding up here, so if I wanted to throw my potato chips, I can do that all day long.
I forgot about that.
Hey, over here, guys, we wanted to show you more sleeping capacities. So you have some throw pillows, which work really good, as you can see. And then these guys come off.
Yeah, just
Yeah, those are probably not quite throw pillows, unfortunately.
Yeah.
And then this guy comes out. I'll show you how this works. It's a tri-fold, so you don't have to worry about an air mattress. That guy folds down, and then 2 full-size adults can sleep on here.
How convenient.
And then this guy folds into a bed too. You want to show
This
them how
one
this
makes into a bed over here as well. You have to tear down the table. This is almost a throw table, but today I won't throw it. You take out your 2 posts.
All right.
You're not being very helpful, are you? Let's
Hey,
put
I'm
that
holding
in
the
there,
table,
would you?
the throw table. Hey, that works.
Okay. That's how easy.
You know, I like that they put good-sized drawers in here too. Oh, and slightly oversized cushions. Yes, look at that. So you
It works
have
wonderfully.
these guys do pull out quite a bit though, on both sides. Now, does this really go down after a while? Maybe if you're laying down on it. And if you're
think so.
6 foot, you're probably not going to quite fit on this bed, but if you're a kiddo, you probably would. So this sleeps, this guy, you know,
Couple here, 3 back there. Okay,
2 up
grade
front,
6,
so
7, 8.
so the whole shebang right here, guys.
All right. Before we get into the bathroom and the bedroom, a few things on this wall I want to go over. This is your big switch for the fan that's up here. This is for your little night steps light. As you can see, it goes on and off so you don't trip going down the stairs at night. And here's your Dometic controls for your furnace and your AC. Now, we'd now like to take you into the bathroom and show you what we have.
So as you can see, there's plenty of room to walk into this tri-fold or tri-slide glass door here. You'll notice that the shower head is upgraded to a little bit fancier one. You have some shelves to work with. You also have a spot to sit down to do whatever. And then this guy, porcelain commode instead of a plastic one. Linen closet. You do have a towel rack here. You have more spots for medicine cabinet type stuff, a large mirror, all LED lights throughout the entire coach. And then down here you also have a little bit of storage as well. And I'll point you over to the bedroom now.
Let's check out the bedroom. Come on in. Now the bedroom has its own AC up here. You have an on and off switch on the right behind you. Okay, over here we've got the drawers, ball bearing hinges, easy shut, pulls themselves back in. You have a queen bed, 60 by 40.
60 by 80.
I'm sorry, you're right.
Unless
60
you're
by
like
80.
a
But
small
see, I was
person.
testing him and he passed. Now, you also have storage under the bed, which we like to show.
Minimal.
It's
Well, you
min-
can put
it's
some
minimal.
blankets though and
Blankets,
pillows.
pillows can all go down here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in the closet, which is nice, it's got its own illumination. It's about 8 feet of closet space all the way across for a lot of hanging stuff, which is really, really important.
Oh, and you also have this TV hookups right here on the side with a power boost on it. So if you push this little button, a green light will come on, and what that will do is boost the antenna that's built in. This is the King deal. So what it does is it rotates, and it's just a little disc instead of that big huge
No
arm.
more up and down.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about forgetting and accidentally ripping it off as you're heading home.
That's right.
So, but you want to turn this button off if you're not using it, because if you're putting it in storage, it'll draw down your battery and
Right.
c'est la vie. But plenty of headroom in here too.
Well, that's the inside of the 357 Trip. We hope you've enjoyed it.
You never did tell me what TRIP really stood for.
I told you, it stands for a family trip. That's exactly what it is. Not only that, but we're making all these movies for you people on the actual coaches that we have
I think they're called videos. I don't think you could call it a full feature. Well,
No, hey, we're acting in this movie,
That's
okay?
right, that's
we're
right.
just not getting paid for it. Now, on top of that, we have a new 360 camera, so you'll have choices. You can watch videos, look at pictures, or watch the 360 view all the way around. It's a new feature we're loving putting into effect.
let us know what you guys think about the 360 videos versus normal videos, and please subscribe. You'll get to see all of our videos, which we're doing a ton of them right now because we're getting all our brand new inventory in, which is like Christmas.
It
like
is.
every
It's
day.
Christmas for
It's
us.
awesome. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting. If you comment, we'll answer your comments as well, or you can visit our website, thegreatoutdoorsrv.com.
Or you can call me, Gary, at 970-313-4337.
All right,
Thank
guys,
you.
thanks.